The video starts with a high-tech screen displaying the title, AI. A blessing or a curse? In the background, a robot and a human interact through a computer screen. Narrator. Did you know that the artificial intelligence we rely on for convenience today could become our greatest threat tomorrow? Yes. When used correctly, AI can drive us toward progress. But its misuse can lead to disaster. Scene 2, Benefits of AI Visual Supported Narration. The screen shows AI applications in technology, medicine, education, and business. Narrator. AI has revolutionized our lives. Imagine. Heavy checkmark healthcare, AI assists doctors in accurate disease diagnosis. Heavy checkmark education, students get personalized learning experiences. Heavy checkmark business, companies leverage data for increased profits. Heavy checkmark security, facial recognition and cybersecurity have improved. But have you considered the dangers of AI misuse? Scene 3, Drawbacks of AI Dramatic Visuals. The screen displays deepfakes, data breaches, job losses, and automation effects. Narrator. Now, let's see AI's dark side. Crossmark deepfake technology, fake videos and misinformation are spreading. Crossmark job displacement, automation is replacing millions of jobs. Crossmark cybercrimes and hacking, criminals exploit AI to steal sensitive data. Crossmark loss of human control, what happens if AI surpasses human authority? Scene 4, Solutions and Message. The screen presents ethical AI usage points with a person advising on AI safety. Narrator. So, what's the solution? To use AI responsibly, we must White heavy checkmark develop AI with ethical principles. White heavy checkmark strengthen cybersecurity. White heavy checkmark utilize technology for humanity's benefit. Remember, AI is a tool, not a master. If used correctly, it can elevate us. If misused, it can lead to chaos. What do you think? Is AI a blessing or a curse? Scene 5, Outro Call to Action. The video title appears again as the narrator engages the audience with a question. Soft background music plays. Narrator. What's your opinion? How should we shape the future of AI? Let us know in the comments. And for more insightful videos, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Video ends.